Can go to model and the parts and create parts in with the name of honeycomb. It can be 3D as a modeling space, and the type is deformable, and the shape will be shell and extrusion. Now we can use create lines connected and make 6 sides as a honeycomb. Can have one honeycomb and make it repeated as horizontally and vertically. We can use the tools, which is a linear pattern, and first we have to select our entities and down, and in horizontally it's too much distance and 15 is proper, and for vertically we need also reduce our space, and that's okay. So it seems that it's okay. We can also have the dimension, this dimension and this dimension. Because we need a slab as either concrete or other materials, for example CFRP, for to embed this texture inside the slab to ratify our structure. And so it seems that we can have 3 7 and 3 multiply for example 5 or more, which could be good. After that we need to extrude, and here 5 is enough. So we have a geogrid here, and this geometry is good. And now we go to a property module and select material manager.